Hi everyone, here I have a very nice math equation, that is m to the raised to power 10, which is equals to 25 to the power m. Here I have to find the value of m. So let's solve this nice equation. M to the power 10 is equals to 25 to the power m. So let's take the power 1 by m on both sides. Taking the power 1 by m on both sides. So it will be m to the power 10 to the power 1 by m, which is equals to 25 to the power m to the power 1 by m. So here I'm going to use the rule, that is a to the power m to the power n equals to a to the power m dot n, and we can reverse the powers. So I am going to use this here, m to the power 1 by m to the power 10, which is equals to 25. Here I am going to use this rule, 25 to the power m to 1 by m. So here I can cancel these two, m with 1 by m. So here I get m to the power 1 by m to the power 10, which is equals to 25. Now I have to cancel this power 2. So how I can do this? I can take the power 1 by 10 on both sides. M to the power 1 by m to the power 10, and its power 1 by 10 equals to 25 to the power 1 by 10. So further I can use again this rule, m to the power 1 by m to the power 10 to 1 by 10, and I can write 25 as 5 square to the power 1 by 10. So 10 cancelled by 10. Here m to the power 1 by m, which is equals to 5 to the power 2 into 1 by 10. So 2. Here I get 1 by 5. So m to the power 1 by m is equals to 5 to the power 1 by 5. Here is something similar, that we get m and 1 by m. So I can compare these terms. Here this implies that m is equals to 5. So here we get the value of m that is required. Now we'll check either our value is right. So let's check. Here the equation m to the power 10, 25 to the power m. So here I'm going to put m is equals to 5 to the power 10, 25 to the power 5. Write this as 5 to the power 10, and 25 can be written as 5 square, and I will going to use here the rule. So I can write this as 5 to the power 10. So 5 to the power 10 is equals to 5 to the power 10. So our value, that is m is equals to 5, is right for the